Hi beautiful family, welcome again to my channel. It's another day with another hot pot of food. Oh my god, are you ready to learn something new? Today's video I'm going to share with you how to prepare this delicacy. Here is bitter leaf prepared in a traditional way, in a local way, and with just few ingredients you are done. Without taking much of our time, let's dive straight to the kitchen. Here is my chicken already cut and washed thoroughly. I'm seasoning with some seasoning cube and salt. I also have these ingredients here. Here is scent leaf, already dry, sent to me from Cameroon. Since I'm based in Thailand and we don't have it here, I have my pepper that is chili. My bitter leaf already washed and it's already clean, not more bitterness in it. So I have to massage the chicken since I already sprinkled the seasoning cube and some salt. I have to massage it so that all should have that sweetness. Straight on the fire, I have to put it on a charcoal. You can put it on the gas or charcoal to remove all the tiny feathers. That is something I don't like when I'm eating chicken and I will see the tiny feathers. Oh, I just lost appetite. So I have to pass it on the fire to remove the tiny feathers. So after that, you don't have to wash it again since you already washed it from the beginning, seasoning it, so you don't have to wash it again. Drop in my small water, just a little bit of water. Steam it first before you add much water like the one I just did. Alright, here is my blended pepper. So I just have to add it and cover the pot again for a while. Now, like I've been cooking this for about an hour, so I just have to add in my bitter leaf. Not every chicken that you can cook it up to an hour. Here is the strong chicken, like the compound, not the agro chicken. Yeah, I have to add in my bitter leaf and cover the pot immediately. Make sure you also taste the soup to know if the salt and the seasoning cube is okay. Next on the track, I have to bring in my red palm oil. Here is my red palm oil, and this will take a lot of like mashed palm oil. So I have to put the palm oil, cover the pot. When you pour the palm oil, please don't stir it. Cover the pot for a while. That is it. Oh my god. Now the next thing I have to add in my scent leaf. This is the game changer in this soup. This is the last ingredient you have to put while cooking this in a traditional way, like in this time. In this soup, we don't need ginger, we don't need garlic, we don't need like white pepper. No, the few ingredients that you just heard mentioned, that is all about the ingredients you have to cook this delicacy with. So I just have to stir it like this, and this vegetable needs just few ingredients to prepare it. And the aroma that this chicken is giving at the moment, immediately I added in my scent leaf, is another level. That is the game changer in the bitter leaf. So that is the main spices, the last ingredient you have to put like maybe 3 to 4 minutes to the end of the cooking. So here it is. Here we are done and it's ready to serve. If you find this video interesting, guys, please kindly help me leave a comment, share, subscribe, like, and stay tuned for another beautiful video coming up soon. Turn on your notification bell so that each time I drop a video you'll be notified immediately. Bye.